Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick overview of the Awward style print on demand platform. Alright, so in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use it for your print on demand business. We're going to go over their products and how the platform works. So basically I'm just going to give you a quick review of Awward style. So Awward style is basically a print on demand platform that lets you create your own unique design then sell it on any platform of your choice. So you can either create a design then sell them on Shopify, you could sell them on your WooCommerce store, or you could sell them on Etsy if you have an account with them. So they give you the option to create this design, and whenever you have an order, they will be the one to do the hard work. So they will fulfill the order on your demand. So your profit is going to be how much you are getting the product from them and how much you are selling it to your customer. All right, so let me give you a quick walkthrough of the platform. So if you don't have an account with them already, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there, and you should be able to create an account with them. So if you have an account with them, all you have to do is just log into your account. And if you don't have an account, click on this sign up button, and once you click on it, what you want to do is enter your first name here, enter your last name, your email address, the password you like to use, then click on you've agreed to the terms and conditions, then also tick this I am not a robot caption. So once you've done that, all you simply need to do is click on this register button and you'll be able to create an account with them. So I have an account with them already, so I'm not going to create a new one. So all I have to do instead is just come over here and click on sign in. So here I'm going to click on this I'm not a robot, then click on login so I can log into my account. Alright, so as you can see, I've just logged into my account, and this is what your dashboard is basically going to look like. So when you come to the left hand side here, you're going to see the dashboard icon, you're going to see the product catalog. So when you click on the product catalog, you're going to see template of several products that you can design and start reselling on your Shopify store or on any platform you like to sell this product. So whenever you have an order, what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on order here. So when you click on order here, you're going to see the orders you are currently having. So the product you've designed yourself, this is going to be in your product template here. So your own personal product you've designed on a platform, you're going to see them in your product template here, and from your product template you'll be able to push any product to your store so you can start selling them. All right, so you're also going to see your library here. So your library is going to contain your product design, so product you've worked on, product you've designed yourself, so you're going to have them here. So when you click on the store section here, so this is where and how you can connect your store to whichever platform, or where you can actually connect your Awward style account to whichever platform you will be selling your design. So when you click on integration here, it's going to bring out all of the platform you can actually connect your Awward style account to. So as you can see, you can connect them to Shopify, you can also connect to Etsy, and you can also connect to WooCommerce if you have a WooCommerce dropshipping store. So this is where you can basically connect your Awward account to any of this platform. So whichever of the platform you've connected your Awward style account to, you'll be able to push product directly to the store, and whenever you have an order, you'll be able to fulfill the order automatically with just a click of a button, and the order is going to be sent to your Awward style account. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard section here. So once you've just created your account, what you will see at the right hand section here is like a walkthrough, like a check mark for you to see your progress on the platform. So once you've created your account, you're going to need to confirm your email address, so which you can see I've done that here. Then after that, you're gonna need to create a product yourself. I'm also going to walk you through how you can do that. Then after that, you're gonna need to connect your store, your Awward style account, to your dropshipping store. So once you've done that, also you're gonna need to add a product to your store so you can start selling, then also set up your billing info so you can easily make payment for the product you'll be selling on the platform. So you can easily make payment for your design so they can help you fulfill them to your customer whenever they make an order for any design on your store. All right, so let's go over the product catalog. So for example, you want to create a design for yourself that you would like to sell. So what you want to do is you want to come over to product catalog here. Then you can just go through some of the categories they have here. So looking at the product categories, we have men clothing. So when you click on men clothing, you're going to see that it also comes with subcategories that you can have several design under. So they have t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, tank top, long sleeve, bottoms, and the likes. So when you click on women clothing, also you can also go through the subcategory under that category. So they have kids clothing accessory, they have home and living, they have accessory, they have wall art, they have jewelry, so they have office stationery, they have tote bags and the like. So you can have as many design as you like on this platform. So all you simply need to do is just choose the one you like. So when you choose the one you like, what you want to do is you want to start designing it. So let me walk you through how you can do that. All right, so these are the product templates. So whichever of them you like, what you want to do is just click on them. So when you click on them, you'll be able to add your own unique design to them. So when you look at your left hand side here, when you scroll down, you can also see that you have the option here to choose from any of this platform to get design for your product. So looking at this t-shirt now, so take for example, I want to sell this t-shirt, so I want to add my own unique design to it. Then after that, I'm going to push it to my Shopify store. So from my Shopify store, I'll be able to sell this product. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then you want to click on this. Then if you want to add a text, you can do that, or if you have a product image or a product logo you have already, what you want to do is you want to choose the product image, then upload it to the product here. So this is how you can do it. So in my own case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose image. But before I choose image, I quickly want to show you how you can use Canva to design this product image you're going to be adding to your product here. So what you want to do is you want to go over to Canva. So if you don't have a Canva account, I think you can easily set up a free Canva account and use it to get product template ideas or create your own unique design. So you can come over here, then search for t-shirt logo. So I'm just going to search for t-shirt logo here. So this is t-shirt logo. So when you click on t-shirt logo, it's going to bring out several templates that you can use. So here you can just browse through the template they have, and whichever of them you like, all you simply need to do is just click on it, then save it and re-upload it to your Awward style account. All right, so let's assume this is the design I would like to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the design, then click on customize this template. So in your own case, if you like to add some little edits to it, you can do that here before you download the mockup. So since I'm okay with the design, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then click on download here. So here I'm going to click on download, then the design is download to my desktop. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the Awward style dashboard here. Then what you want to do here is you want to click on choose image. So from here I'm going to click on choose image so I can upload the design. So this is design. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on open. Then here I'm going to come back here and click on upload. All right, so as you can see, I've just successfully uploaded the mockup. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to be added to the t-shirt. So as you can see, so what you want to do now is you want to use this drag and drop to adjust the size of the design. So what you want to do is you want to spread it and you want to make it cover the whole area here. So if you are okay with the design, you can leave it, and if you are not okay with design, you can go back to Canva, create another better one. But since this is black and the text color is white, so I think this is going to go better on a black t-shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this plus icon here, then I'll be able to choose another color here. So I'm going to choose black here. So after choosing black, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on this, and when you click on it, you're going to see that the logo design has been added to the black t-shirt. So as you can see, I think the design is more brighter on the black t-shirt compared to the white one. All right, so since I'm okay with this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on create template. All right, so as you can see, I have the template already now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here, then click on upload this product to my Shopify store. So for you to do that, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on upload product. So as you can see now, this is my Shopify store. So I've linked both of them together already. So if you've not linked your Shopify store to your Awward style account, you need to link them together in order for you to be able to push products to your Shopify store. So I did a video earlier on how you can do this. So I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around here. All right, so once you're okay with the product, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on upload products. All right, so at this section, what you want to do is you want to check the details of the product, the shipping price, the cost of the product, and how much you're going to be retailing this product. So what you have to do now is scroll down. So when you scroll down here, you're going to see the title of the product. So this is the product description. So if you're okay with the description, so what you want to do is just leave it, and if you have more text you want to add to the description of the product, you can do that here. So here what you want to do is you can also adjust the pricing of the product here. So as you can see now, the price of the product is $7.75, and you can actually retail it for $10.85. So if you are okay with the pricing, you can leave it, but if you are not okay, you can come over here, then adjust the pricing of the product. So I'm just going to leave this as $27.65 or $27.56. okay, then come back here also, then enter the pricing of the product. So I'm also going to make this 56. So once you are okay with the pricing of the product, the next thing you have to do is come over here, then click on upload product. So here I'm going to click on upload product, and the product is going to be sent directly to my Shopify store. Alright, so as you can see, the product has been successfully sent to my Shopify store. As you can see here, it says ready. So if you want to see the listing on your Shopify store, all you have to do is just click on see your listing here, and if you still want to edit the product on your Awward style account here, you can also click on edit, and you'll be able to edit some of the product settings. So basically everything I've been able to do from Awward style is from my free basic account. So let's take a look at the pricing and see what difference they have in the pro plan and in the free plan. So here I'm going to scroll down, then click on Awward style pro. So when you click on Awward style pro, it's going to bring out their pricing details here. So this is it. So they have a free plan, and they have a pro plan, and they have pro plan plus for merchant having 500 orders, over 500 orders per day. So for the pro plan, this is going to cost you just $25 per month, and the free plan is free forever. All right, so let's look at the difference. So the free plan comes with a mockup generator. It gives you access to link your store to Shopify, ST, WooCommerce, and more. You can create unlimited design, synchronize your existing store. It gives you access to Epicenter, 24/7 customer support, Awward styles blog, online store, and the likes. So let's look at what they have in the pro plan that is not in the free plan. So the pro plan gives you access to volume discount. Now this is the banger here. So it gives you access to volume discount. That is what you're going to be paying for the product on Awward style is going to be slashed, I think, by 20%. So let's take a look at some of the examples. So the regular price for this t-shirt is around $16, and if you subscribe to the pro plan, you're going to be able to get it for $13. So this is basically what they're trying to pass across. So looking at this again, it gives you access to available terms for approved merchants. So it gives you access to early new features on the platform. Then it also give you to Awward style API integration, dedicated account manager, warehousing service. So this gives you the ability to store your company neck label, poly mailer, tag label, and the like in their facility. So whenever they want to package your product, they're going to be adding this to your product. So it also gives you access to Slack message support and the rest. So this is basically the difference they have from the pro plan and the basic plan. So this is basically how you can use them to start selling your design on whichever platform you like to use them for. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.